Hey all, this is Scott from Calendula Farm, again with notes from Nome. And on this episode, we're going to talk to you about another winter gardening activity here in the Pacific Northwest, in the Puget Sound area in particular, the Western Sword Fern. That is ostensibly an evergreen fern. It's very common, well-known native Northwest plant, but the evergreen part of it we think is a little bit dicey, so we like to trim them back right about now. This is mid-February, and this is the perfect time before the new fiddleheads start waking up, and you want to get down there and cut off the older fronds from last year and possibly the year before they start looking any more cruddy than they already do. So let's get to it. So the fern that I've chosen to make an example of here is one of my favorites. It's grown as a volunteer in the rock wall amongst all my plant stock here at the nursery, and we've just let it grow and do its thing, and it's even populated itself with some babies down the way, and hopefully at some point this rock wall is going to be completely covered in Western Sword Ferns. But this is the one that I want to show you because this is a great example of the last year's fronds. Right around now start looking a little peaked. They start looking a little bit less than attractive. You can see the brown spots on there. It's just age. They'll stay on there as long as you let them stay on there. But you know, if you got it in your garden, why not have it look a little bit more lively and pristine? So here's how we go about it. Here's more of a close-up of the aging process on a Western Sword Fern. You might find this time of year that there are some fronds that look fairly fresh and vibrant and decent looking, but trust us, by the end of summer, next fall, this coming fall, they are going to look really funky and less than attractive, just like this one. So here's what we recommend, and I know it's hard to do, is to completely behead the entire plant. And I know it's hard to take what looks like a nice vibrant green lush plant and completely remove all of its leaves or fronds, but it's a good thing, and you won't have to wait very long before it resprouts. And what I'm zooming in on is, here's what you take it down to. You take it down to the core, right down in the middle here. You've got all these little bumps and little knobs right down at the root crown of the fern. Those are the fiddleheads waiting to wake up and emerge with brand new, fresh, vibrant green fronds. And that's what we're after, just leaving those as is, taking off all of these other individual branches. Here we are about halfway done at this point, and I wanted to show you the what I've exposed, the center of the root crown with all those little knobs. This is what I was trying to show with all the fronds still intact. You can see I've still got a few left to go, but what I discovered in here was, as Western Sword Ferns do, they colonize. They keep sending out little pups, and I found this other little cluster of a brand new plant that came up probably in the last year or so, and so there's multiples in there. This is the part that you want to leave completely exposed. This is it. This is what we're left with when it's all said and done. Those are all the dormant fronds that are ready to start uncoiling and emerging in another few weeks. Usually by mid-March is when you start to see the Western Sword Ferns wake up, and all these little knobs will pop up an inch or two, and you'll see these beautiful little fiddlehead shapes that start to uncoil a little bit more each day over the following several weeks. It's one of our favorite things to watch in the very early spring, late winter, and it's sort of an indication that indeed spring is coming. Hooray! Thanks for watching.